Hi, everyone. I am Krista McNamara, Managing Editor with ABRN Magazine. I'm here today with Lee Smith, Quality Compliance Field Information Manager with Toyota Motor North America, to learn more about the Takata recall, the largest recall in U.S. automotive history. Listen up because you'll learn about the recall and how your shop can help promote your customers' safety. Hi, Lee.
Hi, Krista. Thank you for having me. At Toyota, the safety of our customers is a top priority. We consider the Takata recall a public safety crisis, and we truly appreciate this opportunity to talk to your audience directly.
Absolutely. Lee, we've all been hearing about the Takata recall for several years now, and it seems that the recall is growing. Can you give us an idea of the breadth of the recall to date?
The Takata recall involves roughly 37 million vehicles from 19 automakers, equipped with 50 million Takata airbags. And these numbers will grow as more vehicles are recalled in the next 2 years.
You referred to the recall as a public safety crisis. Can you describe why the Takata recall is so critical?
Sure, Krista. Affected vehicles have potentially dangerous airbag inflators that could rupture when the airbag deploys, spraying sharp metal fragments inside the cabin. Over time, these defective airbags degrade, especially in areas with wide temperature fluctuations and high absolute humidity. As more time passes without the vehicle being repaired, owners are at an increased risk of serious injury or even death.
We are all aware of the OEM's tremendous efforts to inform owners of affected vehicles and replace these defective airbags as soon as possible. Can you give us an idea of how successful these efforts have been?
Well, despite automobile manufacturers and the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's collaborative efforts to inform owners and encourage immediate repairs, the most current NHTSA data shows that only 60% of the affected vehicles have been repaired.
What are the specific challenges that you face in reaching the owners?
Many of the affected vehicles are driven by second and third owners who do not take their vehicles to a dealership for service and are not in our customer database. We need to partner with independent repair facilities to help identify these vehicles and inform their owners of the recall. It's possible that some of their customers are driving a recalled vehicle. If a customer owns a Toyota, Scion, or Lexus manufactured between 2003 and 2013, the vehicle may be subject to a safety recall, or the Takata front passenger airbag inflator, or Takata's driver's airbag inflator. Remember, if an airbag deploys in one of these vehicles, the inflator could explode, spraying metal shrapnel into drivers and passengers.
Lee, how can the shops that are watching help their customers?
IRS can help their customers and build trust by letting them know if their vehicle is included in a safety recall. You can easily identify a vehicle with an open safety recall by using the Airbag Recall app. Just go to the App Store or Google Play and download the app to your smartphone. Use the app to scan a license plate or look up by VIN. The app can be used for any make and model of vehicle. It simply reads the license plate number, looks up the VIN, and indicates if the vehicle is affected. It even displays a list of local dealerships authorized to complete the free repair for that make of vehicle. You can take it a step further and show your customers your commitment to safety by confirming with them that you can contact their local dealer to schedule their free repair.
This is a serious situation that certainly warrants everyone's attention. Thank you so much for joining us today and sharing this critical information.
Thank you, Krista. Toyota is committed to partnering with IRS to find, inform, and repair as many affected vehicles as possible. Until an owner's airbag is repaired, they're putting themselves and their passengers at risk. Thank you again for giving Toyota this time with your viewers.